If you've been searching for the latest and best AI software to boost your content creation, you've probably heard of Freepik's new AI video generator. In this video, we're diving into 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this newly released AI tool. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know whether this is the right software for your video creation needs. First off, the Freepik AI video generator has just been launched, and it's already making waves. Whether you're a digital marketer, content creator, or just someone looking to enhance your videos, this tool is designed to make video production simpler and faster than ever before. What's impressive is how it integrates AI to help you create high-quality videos with minimal effort. What makes Freepik AI video generator stand out is its user-friendly interface. When you first jump in, you'll notice that everything is intuitive. You don't need to be a tech expert to start generating videos. Just input your text or ideas, and the software uses its powerful AI algorithms to craft a script, generate visuals, and even suggest background music, all tailored to the content you want. But here's the kicker. It doesn't just create random videos. The software can understand context, tone, and style, making the generated videos feel natural and personalized. This means you can create videos that truly resonate with your audience without spending hours on editing. You're probably wondering about the quality of the videos. After using Freepik AI video generator, I can say that it delivers impressively high-quality outputs, the visuals are sharp, the transitions smooth, and the AI does a great job selecting suitable images and animations based on your input. It's not just stock footage thrown together, it's designed to feel professional and engaging. Another great feature is the customization options. While the AI does a lot of the heavy lifting, you still have control over your project. You can tweak the text, adjust the pacing, and even modify the visuals to better fit your vision. This balance of automation and customization is one of the key reasons why Freepik AI video generator stands out from the competition. What's more, this tool is incredibly fast. You can go from idea to finished video in minutes, which is perfect for anyone needing to churn out content quickly. Whether you're working on a marketing campaign or a quick explainer video, the speed at which Freepik generates high-quality videos is remarkable. Now the big question, is it worth your time and money? Freepik AI video generator offers a free trial, which you can access through the link in the description below. This allows you to explore the software without any financial commitment, so you can test it for yourself and see if it fits your needs. Finally, it's important to note that Freepik AI video generator is constantly being updated. The team behind it is always working on improving the tool, adding new features, and refining the AI. This means you're not just getting a one-time tool, you're getting a software that will evolve and improve over time. To wrap up, if you're looking for an easy-to-use, efficient, and powerful AI video generator, Freepik AI video generator is definitely worth trying out. The combination of customization, speed, and quality makes it a strong contender in the video creation space. You can get started for free with the link in the description below. I've also included my top recommended AI tools down there that I've tested extensively. After trying thousands of AI software, these are the ones I trust to help make my work easier, and I'm confident you'll find them useful too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.